Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. I don't know what the problem is. Yesterday also we faced the same problem.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope everyone is there. I don't know why.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. The problem we are facing on Zoom, I am unable to identify. Number of times I have logged in and logged out. Number of times I started the class. In spite of that, you couldn't join. And at last I shut down my laptop and restarted. Now you are able to join. Tomorrow, let us try to start 5 minutes early. Okay, immediately after the first period, you join this one. Let us try so that we did not waste any time. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, let us begin by 10:20 instead of 10:25. 10:20, immediately after that class, I will start the meeting and wait for you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. '51. I'm sending the message again. I don't know how many people, still 51 only. Maybe the others are still facing problem in joining the class. Only 52 could join so far. Yeah, 55 are there. Anyway, we are going to just revise what we learned yesterday. See, can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. This was the slide. Just for your convenience, I am showing this slide once again. While changing from direct speech to indirect speech, these are the changes that take place. So slowly understand, slowly it becomes difficult. That is why I am revising once again. Comma after said and inverted commas are removed. This is the first thing we have to do always whenever a sentence is given for transformation from direct speech to indirect speech. and that is added after said. Usually said will be there. Said is the verb outside inverted commas. Usually 99% of the time you will have said outside inverted commas, or that is also called introductory verb. Introductory verb or the verb outside inverted commas are reporting verb. And pronouns inside inverted commas are changed suitably. If it is a male, he or him may come. If it is a female, she or her may come. If it is plural, them will come. And the very important thing is all present tenses will become past tenses. Past tenses become past perfect tenses. And the words expressing nearness are changed to words expressing distance. And said to becomes told. Usually said to becomes told. Okay, these are the rules. And then see, these are some other things we learned. Please read all these things quickly in a minute. Read aloud. Please read aloud all these things.
Simple present tense,
Simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense, present.
No, it is not like that. It is not like this. Listen to me. Simple present tense becomes simple past tense. Present continuous tense becomes. That also has to be there. Okay. Now start reading.
Simple present
tense becomes simple past tense. Present continuous tense becomes past continuous tense. Present perfect tense becomes past perfect tense. Simple past tense become past perfect tense. Past perfect tense become past perfect tense.
will
Becomes would. Shall becomes should. May becomes might. Can becomes could. Hope becomes before. Now becomes then. Today becomes that day. Yesterday becomes the day before the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. That this becomes that. This becomes those.
year before
You have to remember.
last year becomes the previous week and the previous year, the preceding week or the preceding month or the preceding year and preceding year.
Yeah, you have to remember all these things. And then we went through this slide also, some examples. Now you have to change these sentences into indirect speech. Come on. I have already given you rules, examples, and now you have to change all these sentences into indirect speech. Come on, start writing in your notebook. She said direct speech. First, DS or direct speech. And then hyphen. She said, comma, inverted commas begin, my brother is a teacher. Inverted comma, full stop, inverted commas close. And then indirect speech. You have to write the sentence in indirect speech. Come on, quickly. Write all these sentences. First, you change the first sentence into indirect speech. She said, my brother is a teacher.
She said that her brother was a teacher.
Right, very good. All of you, hope you have done it. She said that those who have not written, you can write. She said that her brother was a teacher. Slowly. When she said my brother, when we are saying, we say her brother. Okay, I'm a brother. I'm annappudu na brother annadu. Manam anetappudu I'm a brother antam. Is becomes was kada, present tense becomes past tense. That is added. Comma is removed, inverted commas are removed. She said that her brother was a teacher. Have you written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You have to be very fast, see? And then second one. Change the second one into indirect speech.
Sudha said that she wanted some money.
She wanted some money.
She wanted some money.
Sudha said that she wanted some money. Correct. Sudha said that she wanted some money. Third sentence.
He said that Raju's sister was coming today.
His sister was coming to.
That day.
Following day.
That day.
Following day.
No,
That
not
day.
the following. Today becomes.
day.
Check.
That
You not
day.
note it down? Did you note down or not?
Raju's sister.
Today becomes what?
That
That
day.
day.
That day.
That day.
Yeah, did you note it down or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me the complete sentence in indirect speech. He's Sudha
He
said
said
that
that
Raju's sister was coming that day.
Said that Raju's sister was coming that day.
correct. He said that Raju's sister was coming that day. He said that Raju's sister was coming that day. Change the next sentence. Be careful.
Had gone to Delhi in
Be
March.
careful. Without making any mistake, you have to tell.
Ramesh said that he had go to Delhi in March.
Ramesh said that.
he had gone to Delhi in March.
Yeah. Ramesh said that he had gone to Delhi in March. Again, see tenses. That's why I tell you, every day you have to practice tenses. All past tenses become past perfect tense. Past perfect for went is had gone. Ramesh said that he had gone to Delhi in March. He had gone to Delhi in March. Not he had go. He had gone to Delhi in March. Start reading tenses. Again, tomorrow I will conduct a test in tenses. Okay? Next, Kaveri said.
Kaveri said that she would not come the next day.
She would not come the following day.
Right, correct.
Kaveri said that she would not come.
Yeah, so Kaveri said that she would not come the following day. Kaveri said that she would not come the next day. Or Kaveri said that sometimes it may be Kaveri said that she would not go the following day, depending upon the situation. But usually it is Kaveri said that she would not come the following day. Has everybody written? Kaveri said that she would not come the following day. Next.
My sister said that she is coming.
She was coming the following day.
No, wrong.
My sister said that she is coming the next day.
Wrong.
My sister said that she was coming the following day.
Yeah. Now, what is the difference between the earlier sentence and this sentence?
Is was.
Was.
Present tense.
Present past.
Yes, very good. Present continuous is changed to, has to be changed to past continuous. So what does it become? My sister said that
She was coming the following day.
My sister said that she was coming the following day. Next.
Sunayana said that she
could not do it.
She could not do it.
Yeah, right, very good. Sunayana said that she could not do it. Please stay away from TV. Please stay away from TV. I can hear TV sound. That is why I am muting. Sunayana said that she could not do it. Now the next sentence.
Prakash said that Suresh had solved that problem.
Solved that problem.
Yes. Prakash said that Suresh had solved that problem. Right, very good. Prakash said that Suresh had solved that problem. Words expressing nearness, this becomes that. Prakash said that Suresh had solved that problem. Now change these sentences into direct speech. Change this into direct.
Raju said, I lost my watch.
So first everybody write this sentence in indirect speech. Raj said that he had lost his watch.
Raj said, I lost my watch.
Raj said that he lost.
That was on the direct speech law. Raj said, comma, inverted commas begin.
I lost my watch.
Correct. I lost my watch. Raj said, comma, inverted commas begin. I lost my watch.
I lost my watch.
Full stop and inverted commas close. And you can have one more. What is that? Tell me. See, it is in past perfect tense. In direct. Yeah, correct. Raj said that. Raj said. Yeah, what you said is correct. I
have lost my watch.
I have lost my watch. See?
Watch.
I have lost my watch. Present perfect also can be changed into past perfect in indirect speech. And simple past also can be changed into past perfect. So when it is given in past perfect tense in indirect speech, while changing into direct speech, we can change it into simple past tense or present perfect tense. Raj said, I have lost my watch. Raj said, I lost my watch. Both are correct. Next. Because in your examination, sometimes you may have to change from direct speech to indirect speech and from indirect speech to direct speech sometimes. Anu said that he did not or didn't feel very well. While changing it into direct speech, you write Anu said, comma, inverted commas begin, remove that, right? When we say he, what does he say? I, right. Anu said, I. Past tense in indirect speech is present tense in direct speech. Yeah, have you done? The first sentence was difficult actually. You could do that easily.
I do not feel very well.
Yeah, correct. Anu said, why is it so difficult? You have done the tougher one. Yeah, why are you unable to do? Please tell me. Anu said that is removed. Yeah, in direct speech, you don't have that. Anu said, comma, inverted commas begin. He We are saying he, but when Anu said, what does he say? I. Right. Anu said
I did not feel very well.
I did not feel very well is past tense. If
I
it
do
is,
not
feel very
I do not feel very well. Yeah, I don't feel very well.
Don't
Correct.
feel well.
Correct.
very
Anu
well.
said, I don't feel very well. Anu said, comma, inverted commas begin. I don't feel very well.
Feel very well.
Yes, full stop and inverted commas close. Right. Prerna said that he could not go to the concert. See, you have to be very careful here. Prerna, is Prerna a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Girl.
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 Yeah. First you have to identify that. Prerna is a girl. What did Prerna say? Prerna said that he could not go. He could not go to the concert. Who is that he? Is it Prerna or somebody else?
No.
Somebody else.
Sir, class lo unna nenu malla phone chestha. So he is somebody else, not Prerna. That you have to understand. So while changing it into direct speech, will you change he into something else?
His.
He. Maybe Prerna is talking about Raju. Let us suppose Raju is a he. For Prerna also he is he, and for us also he is he, right? Can we change Raju into Rama or Rani? Can we change male into female?
No, sir.
No, we can't change.
No, sir.
So even when we say in direct speech or indirect speech, he is he, it will not be changed. That you have to understand. It is a tricky question. See, Prerna said that he could not go. Prerna said that he could not go. She is talking about somebody else, not about herself. So you don't change the preposition. Okay, this is what I can tell you. Prerna said that he could not go to the concert. Write this sentence and change it into direct speech. I have explained enough. Prerna said that he could not go to the concert. Yes, anybody?
Prerna said he can't go to the
cannot go
concert.
to the
Correct.
concert.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Prerna said, comma, inverted commas begin. He cannot go to the concert. Prerna said, comma, inverted commas begin. He cannot go to the concert. He should be capitalized, right? First letter of the first word inside inverted commas always should begin with a capital letter. Now, next sentence. Somebody is playing with the screen instead of working. Vanaja said that she was busy. This is very simple. Vanaja said that she was busy.
Vanaja said I am
Inverted commas, I was busy.
Huh?
Vanaja said, comma, inverted comma.
I am busy.
Correct. Correct. Vanaja said, comma,
Vanaja
inverted
said,
commas.
I am busy.
Correct. Vanaja said, comma, inverted commas begin. I am busy, inverted commas close.
I am busy.
Yes. Okay. Please check whether we have done it correctly or not. Have you done it correctly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the next. So if you could do this slide, if you could change these sentences from indirect speech to direct speech, you can do anything very easily. Please, somebody has given the mobile phone to her sister or brother, younger brother. They are playing with the mobile phone. Can you see some drawing on the slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Who is doing it? Who is doing it?
Sir.
It diverts concentration. Now change these sentences into indirect speech.
Hindu easy, sir.
Sindhu, sir. Easy.
Hindu easy, please don't play with the mobile screen. See, you are spoiling the screen and disturbing the class. Have you given it to your brother? Maybe she is not there in the class, just she has switched on and went away. Her brother or sister is playing with the mobile. Please remove it. Remove the marks. Remove the lines and color on the screen. Okay, let us continue with the class. Now change this into indirect speech. See here, the entire thing is not given. I have lost my watch is the sentence. Raj is the speaker. So how can you complete the sentence? This is in direct speech. I have lost my watch.
Raju said that he had lost his watch.
Raju said
Raj said, comma,
Raju said that he has
had
lost his
lost
watch.
Raj
Lost
said,
his watch.
first tell me the sentence in direct speech.
Raj
Said that he had lost his
I
watch.
have lost my watch.
Raj said,
I have lost my.
correct. Raj said, comma, inward commas begin. I have lost my watch. Raj said, comma, inward commas begin. I have lost my watch. Now change it into indirect speech.
Raj said that I had lost my watch.
My watch.
Raj said that.
He had lost his.
He
Correct.
has lost.
He had lost
Raj
his
said
watch.
that. Correct. Raj said that he had lost. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Raj said that he. When he said I, we have to say he. Raj said that he had lost my watch or his watch?
His watch.
His watch.
His watch.
Raj said that he had lost his watch, right?
His watch.
Yes. See, still Sindhu is playing. Sindhu is playing with mobile. Sindhu EC7. Continuously you are typing something. It is very silly, please. Sindhu EC7.
She is the CR of.
CR of EC. Please answer, Sindhu. EC7 Sindhu, please answer. Are you there or not? Somebody is playing with your mobile phone and writing something. Anybody from EC, please respond. Pujita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is Sindhu not there in the class? She has just switched on and left the class. Somebody else is playing. Sneha is there?
Sir, I'll inform her, sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
She continuously it is
Sir.
disturbing. And she is not there in the class.
Sir.
Yeah, now change this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sindhu. Huh? Is it Sindhu?
Anu said that. Sneha sir. Sneha sir.
Sneha. Where did you go, Sneha? You
Sneha
also.
sir.
Sneha, where did you go? You did not respond immediately.
Sir, I'm responding, sir, but due to signal problems, I can't hear.
Yeah, but Sindhu is not at all
Hello,
responding.
sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Anu said that.
Anu said that.
Inverter calm.
Anu said that he didn't feel well. She
Correct.
didn't feel well.
Very well. Correct. Anu said that he didn't feel very well. Anu said that he didn't feel very well. See, sometimes you don't know whether this Anu is a man or a woman. Kada avuna kada? Anu may be a girl also. If you have such doubt, you can write. Anu said that she didn't feel very well. If you have a doubt, Raj, you cannot have any doubt. Raj is a man. So you can write he there. But here Anu, in case of Anu, you may have some doubt. Is Anu a man or a woman? A boy or a girl? In such cases, while changing, you can write he/she. Anu said that she/he didn't feel very well. Have you noted down? Anu
Yes, sir.
said that
Yes, sir.
he didn't feel very well. Now, I can't go to the concert.
Prerna
said
that he couldn't go to the concert.
Correct. Prerna said that she couldn't go to the concert. Prerna said that she couldn't go to the concert. Has everybody given attendance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. I am very busy. Vanaja.
Vanaja said that she
Vanaja said that she was busy.
Correct. Vanaja said that she was very busy. I have to go out. Manisha.
Manisha said that she
Manisha
had
said
to
that
go
she
out.
had to go out.
He has to go to Swati.
She had to say.
Had to.
Had to.
Had to. Manisha said that she had to go out. She had to go out. Please read the sentences quickly. First left sentence and right sentence. I have lost my watch. Raj said that he had lost his watch. That's how you read.
I have lost my watch.
See, some more examples are given. Read them quickly. This is different. See, I am unable to read the slide. Sindhu has written lots of things on the slide. It is very difficult to read. Can you read? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Somewhat.
Yes, sir.
Some sir.
He said.
Said that's not Sindhu,
said-
sir. She went to function.
Yeah, then
She's
who?
not there in class. I called her. She said,
Yeah.
I'm not listening to class. I'm in function.
No, but Sindhu's phone I could see. I can show you the record also. Sindhu number 7 that came on the screen when it was drawn.
Sir, but she's in function, sir. She did not join the class.
Okay, let us not think about that, but whoever it may be, it has to be cleared. Right? Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It may be Sindhu or it may be
Sir,
anybody.
chemistry madam.
Yeah.
Sir, chemistry madam told us to join the next class, sir.
Now time has come.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry.
sir.
Delay because of the net problem. See, this is a very important slide. With this slide, we will begin tomorrow. Okay. See you.
Okay, sir.
See you then. You can join chemistry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.